students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you people are fine. Today we are going to start D2 Cambridge Book 2 Exercise 2a. A number of students has asked me that if I can explain them the direct and inverse proportion, right? When when the prices are increases, then the quantity is also increases. This is called as direct proportion. And if speed increases, time decreases, then we say this is inverse proportion. This means that when one quantity or one thing is going to increase as compared to the other one as well, the value or the quantities increases, we say that this is a direct proportion, right? And if one quantity is decreases while the other is, with respect to that, the other one is increases, we say this is a inverse proportion. One increases, one decreases. This is inverse. And if one is increases and the other is also increases, we say this is a direct proportion. Now I'm going to start the question 1 and then question 2. And dear students, before solving this, I request you to subscribe my channel. Go through it again and again. This is a very easy math. Just you people have to revise it, and when you people will watch the video, go through this lesson first time, maybe you people can't understand more betterly. As when you people will revise it, to watch it to second or third time, then you will see that your concepts will be more clear, right? Now I'm going to solve this one here, as I have already written it here, that he's saying that if there are mass of 108 books is 30 kg, and what is the mass of 150 books, right? So I have write here that written here that books ratio mass, 10 books ratio mass. 108 books, 30 kg mass, 150 books, and we have to find the mass. Books and mass, here books are increases, so of course mass is also increases. Now here, these are called as means, or these are called as extremes, right? So here, mean, extremes, ends, right? And the center one two are called as means, right? So the formula is there, product of means is equal to product of extremes, right? It is very easy that what will be right here, 30 into 150 is equal to x into 108. Now we are going to find the value of the x. So 30 into 150 divided by 108 is equal to x. Here x is going to multiply. When we take it to the other side, this will be divided, right? So here we'll cancel this table of 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18, 3 5s are 15. Here 3 12s are, here 3 10s are, and then 500 over 12 is equal to x. 4 3s are, and 2 6s are 12, 2 50s are, and then 2 3s are, this this is 125. So the value of this is 125 over 3 kg, right? So the price of X, price of 150, the mass of 150 books is 125 over 3. We can divide it, so it is 41.6, right? This is the answer of the X. Okay, what we have done, we have just books, mass, what we have done, this is the means, these are the extremes, right? When the value of books is increases, quantity of books increases, of course the mass is also increases. Here the mass of 108 books is 30 kg, so as here books are increases 150 books, so the mass of 150 books is 41.6 kg, right? Now I'm going to solve the next part of the same. Here the next part of this is the number of books that has a mass of 20 kg. Now I'm going to solve 20 kg. Look at here, he is saying that find the number of books if the mass is 20 kg. Second part of the question number 1, right? In the first question he has given us the books, mass, books, and we have to find the mass. In the second part, now he has given us the mass and we have to find the number of the books. Again, we will apply the same formula here. These are the means. So we write 30 into X is equal to 20 into 108. So X is equal to 20 into 108 over 30. Right? We'll cancel these 0 by 0, and here 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18. So 2 into 36, it is 72 books. So 108 books have the mass 30 kg. So when the mass is 20 kg, then the number of books are 72 books, right? Now I'm going to solve question number 2. He is again saying that if there are 60 books, so in the they cover the length of 1.5 meter. He is saying that if there are 300 books, how much space do these 300 books covered? Again, we will apply the same formula here, right? So here we write 300 into 1.5 is equal to 60 into X. Same extremes and means, right? Product of extremes is equal to product of means. Now what we'll do, right here, write 300 into 1.5 over 60 is equal to X, right? We'll remove this decimal, here 10. So we'll cancel these two by this. So we have 3 into 15 over 6 is equal to X. 3 2s are 6. 15 over 2, we can say 7.5 meter is a length that 300 books need, right? So this is the first question. I'm going to solve the second part of the same question as well. In the second part, what is saying, let me to check it. Now he is saying that 80 centimeter. Now he is saying if the shelf is 80 centimeter, so then what is the, how many books can cover the length of 80 centimeter, right? Now, here, what we do, I'm going to wrap the remaining. Look at here. This is, first of all, what we'll see before applying the formula of the product of means and extremes. What we'll do, I'll see that how this here, it is in meters and this is in the centimeters. So, as you will know that in 1 meter, there are 100 centimeter, right? So, what happens that you can say that in 100 centimeter, there is 1 meter, and if there is 1 centimeter, there is 1 over 100 meters. So if there are 180 centimeter, then we write it as 80 over 100. We can cancel it and we have 0.8 meter, right? Every time maybe I can't solve this like here, because you people should know how to convert centimeters into meters. We should know that 1 meter is equal to 1000 meter, 1000 meter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. You people should know all these things. If you have a knowledge about all these things, all these measurements, if you have learned these and you know that how can we convert meter into centimeter or centimeters into meters, then it is very easy that you people can solve such questions, right? Now here, instead of this, we can write it as 0.8 meter, right? Now, I'm going to solve the second part. Now he's saying adds the same that means and extremes. Means x into 1.5 is equal to 60 into 0.8. X is equal to 60 into 0.8 over 1.5. Cancel decimals, right? 15 4s are 60, 4 into 8. So x is equal to 32. So 32 books, for 32 books we need 0.8 meter length, right? Now as you said, I'm going to solve the next one question, right? I'm going to rub this one. And let me check it first. Okay, dear students, now what I'm going to do, this is question number 3, but in the question number 3 we have 3 parts here. Please wait, let me switch off the fan. Now, in question number 3, what happens that again we will apply now, he's saying that the cost of 6 books is $48. If there are 8 books, find the cost of 8 books, right? So here again we will apply the same formula here. 6 into x is equal to 48 into 8. As we are going to find the value of the x, means the cost of 8 books, so x is equal to 48 into 8 over 6. Will just cancel 6 by 8, 6. So cost of 8 books is 8 8s are $64. 64 is the cost of 8 books. Now here again we apply the same formula here. Product of means is equal to product of extremes. We write it here. 3 into x is equal to 18 into 10. We are going to find the value of the x. So 18 to 10 over 3. 3 6 are 18. So x is equal to 6 tens are $60 is the cost of 10 kg of the sugar. Here he is saying that if there are 3 kg of cost of 3 kg sugar is $18. Find the cost of 10 kg sugar. So what we have done first, we have similarly we have write it that product of means is equal to product of the extremes. 3 into x is equal to 18 into 10. So as we are going to find the value of the x, so what happens that 18 into 10 divided by 3. So in this way we have find the value of the 10 kg sugar. Now here again we apply the same formula. He's saying in the term of ABC, he's saying that cost of B kg sugar is $C. What is the cost of A kg sugar, right? So here again we will do the same here, right? That A into $C is equal to B into $X. So now there is no need to write here dollars or any measurements or the quantities, right? A into C is equal to Bx. We are going to find the value of the x. So AC over B is equal to x. This is the answer. In this way we will find the answer. So now I'm going to solve the next question for you people on this. In the next question, he has given us the fractions, right? But the method is same when we people will try to solve the fractions as well, right? So in the fractions, he is saying that length and mass, length, mass, again length, mass, right? He is saying that 5/9 of mass of length weighs 7 kg. We are saying that if 2/7 of, it is the ratio of the total length, 2/7 of the length has the mass which we have to find, right? So here again we will apply the same method, that means and extremes we write as 7 into 2/7 is equal to x into 5/9, right? So here 7 into 2/7, when we take this to the other side, this will be, we write this thus a reciprocal of this, right? This is x. So here this is cancelled, so right here 10/9 is equal to x, right? So it is 1.10 divided by 9, 1.1 kg is the mass of 2/7 of the length of the question, right? Yes, friends. Now I'm going to solve the next question. Here, these are not the word problems, these are the simple questions. I'm going to solve for you people only one or two. 4/7, 5/x, x/5. So here what we'll do, we'll apply the same formula, extremes. These are the means. 7 into x, 4 into 5, 20/7. So this is the value of the x. 18/7 is equal, or the double ratio, 10/x. So what happens here? 18 into x is equal to 7 into 10. X is equal to 7 into 10, 18. 7 tens are 70 over 18. So you can write it like this, or you can write it as 35 over 9 as well, kg, right? In this way, this is the question number 5, right? I'm sorry. And we have solved, please try to solve the remaining parts of the question number 5 by yourself. This is not 4, this is question number 5. Right? I hope students, you people can solve the remaining parts by yourself. Anyhow, if you have any problem, you can ask me in your comments. Then I will try my best to solve the remaining parts for yourself. I'm really thankful to you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, and I'm really very thankful for you. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.